Hi guys!
Hi everyone!
We're taking a short break over Christmas and New Year, and we thought we'd give you a quick channel update because we've got a new gadget to share with you, and we're going to give you a quick channel update as well. So let's get into it. Right, so first things first then. I'm sure you're all dying to know how the dog's doing. She's doing well.
Yeah, she's doing well.
Yeah,
she's 15 weeks old now.
Yeah.
The scratches on my hand are just about healing up.
We've wiped the blood off before coming on camera.
She actually managed to catch my nose yesterday when she jumped up at me, so I had blood kind of pouring from my nose for a while.
We've put her in bed at the moment, otherwise I think the camera might be like flying off the tripod.
Yeah, I mean, if this looks slightly kind of not quite level, you wouldn't want to know.
If we look tired,
in here.
If we look tired, that's why as well. But yeah, she's been having loads of fun running around on the headland, on the beaches.
We're down in Cornwall at the moment.
We're down in Cornwall, yeah. So she's been having
pretty much hasn't stopped raining since we got here.
Having a fantastic time down here. So yeah, I think she's settling into collie life well.
Yes.
I don't know whether I'm
travelling well, actually. She's travelling well.
Yeah. This is...
Will didn't get this for Christmas.
And I bought it myself.
Will asked for it for Christmas, but he didn't get it.
I don't think... Does that mean I've not been very good this year?
Last year.
Sorry, well, last year, yeah.
Can all change this year.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to show you this in a second because I think this is a cracking bit of design and you may well agree with me and want to get one. But... buzzing away in the box. But before we get into that, channel update then in terms of what's coming up. Very excited about looking at the new SpaceMate Draw version 2. If you've seen on our channel before, we did a review of the SpaceMate Draw, and Simon, the chap who designed it, asked for a load of comments and feedback and everything else. He has taken all that on board, and he's coming to show us the new draw, which we're going to show you side by side, old draw, new draw, and you'll be able to see the improvements and modifications he's made, which are, I think, brilliant. He's taken it all on board, so yeah, have a look at that and see what you think.
And meet the maker.
Meet the maker, yeah.
Technically as well. Yeah.
I'm trying to persuade him to come on camera. We'll see whether
we'll get a picture at
least. Somehow we're going to do it, I'm sure. So yeah, looking forward to doing that. We've got obviously the show in February that we're going to be going to, doing another tour round, looking at what's good, what's not so good, etc. So if you haven't got tickets for that, do have a look for tickets now. Really important you do that. And that is the Camping, Caravanning and Motorhome Show.
Yeah, Birmingham NEC. Towards the end of February.
Yeah.
We'll definitely be there on the Saturday.
We'll put the link on the screen here.
Yeah, so we'll, a little bit closer to the time, we'll let you know exactly where we'll be and what time.
Yeah.
But obviously, if you see us whilst you're walking around the show, then
please say hi.
Feel free to say hi. We'd love to meet you.
Yeah. And
we might manage to get there another day as well. It just depends what we can sort out for doggy daycare for Roxy. Because she'll only be, 5 months old at that particular point.
Whatever happens, we're looking forward to having a day off from the dog.
Well, yes. In a nice way.
In a nice way. Yeah. And very exciting news. Volkswagen are lending us a Grand California 600 third week of Jan.
Yeah,
something like
20th, 21st.
Something like that. We've got it for a week.
In January.
In January.
If it's got a heater that works.
Yeah, I'm hoping everything's going to be good with it. We're getting prepared. We've got a gas bottle ready and a load of other bits and pieces. So we're going to give it a good try. Be really interested in any recommendations for campsites or places to get away to in January, which are interesting, maybe with a bit of dog walk, maybe with a bit of nice pub, anything like that nearby.
2-3 nights.
2 or 3 nights like over that weekend, third week of Jan.
Not too far to travel. Would prefer not to put Roxy through hours and hours of travel.
Yeah, if you haven't figured it out already, we live kind of Nottingham, Leicester area, so hour or up to an hour or two away from there. So yeah, just let us know in the comments below what you think in terms of campsite for that. And if you've got questions about the Grand California or anything that you want us to look at in particular, we're obviously going to do a load of videos and things about what we think, then please do let us know in the comments below or email us contact@californiatime.co.uk and we will endeavour to do what we can with the van.
Find things out. And answer your questions, or look a little confused because we can't.
Yeah.
But we'll try not to.
We might even do a live stream from the van, which may be quite interesting.
To say the least.
/ terrifying.
Yeah.
But it might end up being midweek because we've only got it, I think, Friday to Friday, haven't we? And we're going to be away at the weekend. I think trying to do a live stream on a mobile and that kind of stuff is probably not going to be great. So we'll probably need to do it from home. But it might be midweek, but we might try and squeeze one of those in because that way we can answer any questions live from
the van. Yeah.
Right. So that's coming up. But we said we would talk about this. This is a Lenovo Yoga Tab 11. It's buzzing away in this box. It wants to get out.
Off the notification.
It really wants to get out. So I'm just going to
like to buzz.
Just going to open it up for you. I have had it out the box before, but I thought everyone loves an unboxing.
Why have you treated yourself to this one?
I have treated myself to this because you like to watch Netflix. It's all about Sarah, you see. Sarah likes to watch Netflix.
I do like a bit of Stranger Things. I'm waiting for the next series.
It's Gilmore Girls. Every time I come in the house, Gilmore Girls is on.
Isn't it? It's easy watching.
Tell us what you're watching at the minute.
Or Schitt's Creek.
Yes.
Big Bang Theory.
Yeah.
What else? Breaking Bad.
Again.
Better Call Saul.
Again. Anyway.
We need some new.
So, we have got this. So this... Hold on a minute, get that to the screen. And that. Right.
Just looking unprepared, Will.
So this is an Android tablet. It's an 11-inch Android tablet. It's got a 2 gigahertz processor, 4 gig of RAM, 128 gig of storage built in. It does have an SD card slot on the side. So you can put more memory into it if you want, which is important if you're downloading loads of Netflix films and all that kind of stuff. Although 128 gigs is quite big for Netflix downloads anyway. Obviously standard Android, I think it's got Android 13 on here, so you can download iPlayer, Netflix, YouTube, all of the usual stuff. It comes already installed with Chrome and all of the other normal applications you'd imagine. I think Netflix is on it as well. Now, all of that is just like whatever, Android tablet. The killer thing about this is what's on the back. So that there is a little handle. It's actually a stand, and it basically stays where you put it. So if you want, you can move it anywhere you like, and it's quite stiff to move, so it stays there. But the key thing about that is it goes all the way up like that. So if you want to, you can hang it up like a picture. So if you've got one of those kind of IKEA sucker hook things, or a 3M
decent 3M hook,
hook, anything like that. It's not very heavy. You can hang it up anywhere in the van that you want to be able to see it and watch it, which is quite handy. If you've got a flat surface you're trying to put it on, you're trying to hang it from the roof or anything like that, you can do, because that handle's just on top and folds away really nicely. Obviously, it also means that if you want to have it on a table, you can fold it back and use it like that. Or if you want to use it to write on, you can also use it like that. So it's just really universal. It's got a nice little bit of rubber around there as well, so it doesn't slide around on the table if you fold it out. It's really, really handy. 4 speakers on this as well, so 2 along the back and 2 on the sides. It's quite powerful sound, I'd say.
Yeah,
for the size of the tablet.
For a tiny little thing, yeah, it's really not bad at all.
Yeah.
I was incredibly sceptical when he put this on his wish list, hence why he didn't get it at Christmas. I was like, it's just another piece of gadget that he's going to get, and he's going to be like, oh, it's fine, and then 2 months later he'll be selling it. I mean, the other... It's pretty good, actually.
Yeah, the other nice things about it, USB-C charging, not old micro USB, so normal USB-C, which is good.
Not contactless or anything.
No, not wireless or anything like that. It does have a camera. I'm not sure why you'd ever need a camera on a tablet. And it's got this nice...
You want to look like a proper tourist at the tourist sites.
Oh, holding your massive iPad. Yeah. It's got this nice kind of fabric-y texture on the back as well, which just feels nice. I think it's just...
And it's grey, so it won't look grubby.
Yeah.
It's good.
suits the grainness.
I made a
California.
mistake on my laptop. I think it's in another room actually. I bought a really lovely kind of fabricy cover for it, and it's light pink. And I'm just terrified of touching the damn thing whenever Roxy comes bounding into the house and paws on it.
Yeah. So yeah, we really like this. We think it's really handy. They do this one, which is an 11-inch version. I looked on Amazon this morning. These were currently today on Amazon, 219, which is less than I paid for it. But you know, that's tech. They do they do a 13-inch version as well. If you've got deeper pockets, exactly the same thing,
substantially deeper pockets.
Handle thing.
I think it needs to be
$5.39. I think.
I mean that to me is.
That's not the value point. The value point is right here. You can buy a pair of glasses and the 11-inch for cheaper than the 13-inch, or like a magnifying binoculars. You could use binoculars, couldn't you?
Why on earth would you use binoculars?
Anyway, just another quick point. The USB-C on the side is a multifunction USB, so you can use it if you've got a docking station or anything like that, and you want to plug a keyboard in or an HDMI adapter to be able to stream from this to something else. So if you've got a projector and you wanted to download all your Netflix stuff onto here and then project it, you can do. Obviously it charges it through there. So yeah, it's just really, really handy. I can see us using this around the house as well. If you're doing stuff in the kitchen, want to use it for recipes or whatever, or, you know, anything that you want to just sit on the sofa and surf the web or anything like that. It has got a front-facing camera as well if you want to use it for any video calls and stuff. Yeah,
it's just quite nice and dinky, isn't it?
And it's nice
substantially cheaper than an iPad. I've been really fancying getting a new iPad because I think mine, I bought it in 2015 or something like that. It's old. And
we've always had Apple stuff. We've both got iPhones, MacBooks and iPads and all that kind of stuff. So
I just can't justify the price.
I've not been an Android hater or anything like that at all. Tech's tech. And actually, it's the design of this which really, really I thought was nice. Yeah.
Well, we'll give it a proper test for the camping life. Won't we?
Take it in the ground, won't we?
Yeah, and see
how we get on with that.
Obviously, it's not a TV, so you need to have data of some description, whether that's
or download before you go.
Well, download before you go, tethering from your phone.
Yeah.
Campsite Wi-Fi if you can get it, anything like that. So.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So yeah, hopefully that's of interest. We will put some links in the description below if you want to have a look at that. Like I say, I think Amazon's about the cheapest place I can find it at the moment. Argos sell them, I think, and eBay, there's some refurbished ones for even cheaper. But obviously you don't get the full warranty. So yeah, definitely worth a look.
So if you didn't get one for Christmas and you asked for one, take a look and you might be able to pick yourself up one now anyway.
But I'll tell you what I did get for Christmas though. If anyone's wondering what Van Gadge was exchanged over Christmas.
What did you get?
What did I get?
Yeah.
You bought it for me.
Oh, no, I did. Well, what did you get?
I got a hand grinder. So don't worry. It's not going to be another video. Just yes,
no, I don't. Yeah, and he's walked around the house.
Yeah, there's coffee
doing
everywhere.
That, and he forgot that if you try and do it sideways, then it's just going to drop out everywhere. Yeah. So there's been coffee partially ground.
It's a learning.
Just spread around the house. Yeah.
But don't worry, we're not going to do a whole new video on how to hand grind coffee because this isn't a coffee channel. Despite the fact that we've done lots of videos on coffee.
Maybe that's Will's new resolution for 2023.
No more coffee videos.
We'll set up a coffee channel, an offshoot.
No, definitely not. So yeah, hope you had a good Christmas. Happy New Year to you all.
Happy New Year, everyone. 2023.
Bring it on.
Hopefully, it's going to be a stunner.
I think it will. See you soon.
See you soon.